Our foosball table has snow on it. All right, so I'm peeking outside my window here at the Nash. It's 25 degrees outside. We just had a record snowstorm overnight. Nuts. I don't think this thing is gonna, I gotta watch myself here. This is really slippery. It's all ice underneath there. That thing is frozen. Stella? Stella's in her little house. How warm is it in here? Oh, we have a temperature gauge in there. Let's see. How warm is it? Oh, it's 35. And you're okay? This is Stella's little hut. It's her igloo. Seems like it. Glad I put that door on it for her. I was going to try to start this thing. This is a 6-volt car. It's been sitting out all night. It was 21 degrees. I think it's 24 now. We have 11 inches of snow, and it set a record for Portland, I believe. I don't know if this thing's going to start. Let me put my glove on here and see if we can get this thing open. Get my glove on here. Let me get my gloves on. Somebody's going to help us. Fresh snow. Oh boy, that's deep. Holy cow. That's a good foot on top of there. That's at least a foot. Oh, that door's not even gonna open. It's completely frozen. I don't know. I might come back later and let this thing thaw out. 6-volt, it has a hard enough time starting on normal days, much less being encapsulated in ice. Vacuum wipers, 6-volt positive car. I might be just asking too much. Do I or do I not? That's a good almost 2-foot drift in front of the door here. Oh, it opened. If it opens, it may start. Oh my gosh, it's higher. The drift is higher than the rockers. I'm going to fill up my car full of snow. I have a hard time doing this. This is hard. Okay. I kicked off as much as I could. The snow is basically higher than the bottoms of the doors. This thing is not going to start. Is it going to start? I don't know. Steering wheel club is iced to the floor. That's ice. Okay, I found my keys. Put it in neutral. Oh, sorry. You don't need to see my keys there. This would be amazing if it starts. 6-volt positive, sitting out for 3 days? It's been 3 days. Oh, all right, this is, I got lights. Pump the gas a little bit. Oh. Thick oil. Oh my gosh. Come on. No way, no way, no way. It started. I cannot believe it. I'm just going to hold my foot on the gas here for a little bit because I know it'll die. Oh my goodness. That is so awesome. I cannot believe it started. Generator is not happy. I'm not turning the wipers on. The vacuum wipers will break. I'm just going to let it idle here for just a few minutes, see if it'll... What a good old car, man! 1952 Nash, still needs an interior. This thing has been my daily driver for the last few months, and it has been amazing. It started up on a sub-freezing day with almost 16 inches of snow in some spots. I'd never be able to defrost it or actually drive it, but let's see if it'll idle. Might idle. Oh, will it idle? Take my foot off the gas. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Oh, it's idling. She's idling. Oh, that's amazing. She's running. That is a lot of snow. That's the most that this car has seen in my ownership. That is crazy. We should go do some donuts. Let's go do some donuts. Come on. I still cannot believe it started. That is crazy. Even the light is, I got my third eye. It's frozen over. Oh, so cold. So cold. I cannot believe it. That is true testament. What a good old girl. Just sitting there purring away. Ready to go.